Hello guys, welcome to Nuer Online YouTube channel. Today we are going to focus on how to put an end screen on your videos. So let me simply imagine that you already upload your videos and you are on this screen right here. What you're going to do, you go to video elements, this one, video elements, and then under video elements we have, let me move these things out of the way. Let me make it small. Okay, we have this. We have art on end screen. So this one right here, it is what we are going to look at, this one. So we can simply click and we are going to add it. So if you're on this screen right here, there is this element right here. So you click that element and then you have to choose from here. We have videos, we have playlists, we have subscribe, we have channel, we have link. So what do you want to do? For me, I always do videos, because when the video finish, I want the video to appear after this video done. So when you are here, you come down here and then you choose a specific video that you want to appear there. So now I already click that. So the next move is to choose which video you want to come next after this video finish. So let's wait a little bit because the video are going to appear here, and then we are going to click. So let me simply click this one. So now this is the video. You can even resize this like this one. You can pull it back if you want to. Okay, so so this is what you can do that. So for me, let me leave it there. So after you're done, you simply click save, and then from there you are done. You can see here. So you can simply click next, and then you can configure the rest like private, unlisted, and so on. So for me here, I will put it as public, and then I will set it as a instant premium. So I can publish it right now, but I don't want to do it because I want to first put a thumbnail for this video. So thank you for watching. That's how you can change or make an end screen. Thank you.